So this is the flame sensor that we pulled out of here. Had to take the burner assembly off to be able to get to this. Whoop, and that's what happens sometimes. It goes behind. But if you look at this, it's got kind of a sooty, anyway, the heat's been on and on, off. And so we need to clean it. So how we usually do that is with like a dollar bill or something like that. Or sometimes you need to just replace it. They're not that expensive. So again, you're trying to come up with something. I wouldn't use sandpaper because it will ruin it faster, make it go out faster. If you get like a dollar bill or something like that, and then put on here, kind of the roughness of a dollar bill will help take that soot off there and help it so that it will sense the heat. So again, it's called a flame sensor. And that is all you need to do. Try this again in there, put it all back in place. And again, that's a 1/4-inch nut driver or socket set to be able to get that up in there. Oops, sorry about the shaky video.